Okay, this says a vase has the shape obtained by revolving the curve y equals 2 plus sine of x from x equals 0 to x equals 5 about the x-axis. X, Y are measured in inches. What is the volume in cubic inches of the vase? Okay, so let's draw our curve or our region. So y equals 2 plus sine of x. I mean, we have a calculator, so you could graph it if you want. But I'm going to just do this here because I think I can do it without it. 2 plus sine of x, so it's the sine curve starting at 2. Okay, so that's going to go up. So we're you know, it's being, the region goes from x equals 0 to x equals 5. 5 is a little less than 2 pi. Notice that 2 pi would be like, you know, if I broke up, maybe I'll even just do our standard, you know, our 5 points here, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, right? So like our sine graph goes like this. Okay, now, so yeah, you can see that kind of looks like a vase. 5, remember 2 pi is like 6.24, so 5 is like right here. So our vase actually stops here. Okay, so our region is like, it's like this here in yellow. And we're revolving that around the x-axis. Okay, if we revolve that around the x-axis, what we want to do is, let's imagine rotating one rectangle. That will make a disc. The disc will look like this. Okay, that disc's thickness we'll call dx. Okay, and so the volume of this little disc is pi r squared dx. Okay, and then we need an expression for r. Again, we're committed to this being a dx problem, so we get to name coordinates in terms of x. So this coordinate here is just x, comma, and we're on the curve, so the y coordinate can be named 2 plus sine of x. The coordinate here is the same x coordinate, and the y coordinate is 0. And so to find vertical distances in the plane, we subtract y coordinates, top minus bottom. And so here we have that our r is equal to 2 plus sine of x minus 0, which is just 2 plus sine of x. So dv is equal to pi times 2 plus sine of x squared dx. And then the total volume is all such disks as x goes from 0 to 5. So the integral that we want to evaluate, and again, we'll use a calculator. I'm going to take the pi out, 2 plus sine of x squared. Okay, let's see what we get. Make sure you're in radians. I'm going to go to our calculator here. If I can find my calculator. There it is. Okay, so again, make sure you're in radians because it's a trig function. Okay, and so we're going to integrate, we'll put pi first. Pi times the integral from 0 to 5 of 2 plus sine of x squared dx. We're getting 80.115, and that is answer choice. That is answer choice E.